Hey, this video is about affiliate marketing on YouTube, and today we're talking about 5 of the best affiliate products that you can promote today. And if you don't know, this is part of a video series, a 10-part video series that I put together for free. If you don't have that, you can go ahead and click on the link below in order to get free access to that. But let's go ahead and get started on these different affiliate products that I would encourage you to take a look at and see if they're a good fit for you. Now, the first product we're going to talk about is called Kartra. They claim to be the greatest all-in-one platform ever, but what Kartra does is it enables you to create landing pages, to create opt-in pages, to sell things. You can host an online course, you can create memberships, lots of different things here. And I've actually switched from a program called Kajabi, if you're familiar with that, because I liked the feel of Kartra a lot more. So you have Kartra checkouts, pages, leads, memberships, email, funnels. Obviously, you can do all your funnels. You can upload your videos here, help desk, calendars. I mean, it's just a lot of different things that you can do here. One thing that I like a lot about Kartra too, I actually have a product that I created, and Kartra throws in at no additional cost the affiliate management, and Kajabi made you pay extra for that, so I was not a big fan of that. Kartra also has a marketplace, so if you do have a course of your own, you can put your course in the marketplace, and it works kind of like a ClickBank where people have the option to go in there and become an affiliate of your program, or you can actually buy other people's programs. You can check out Kartra. Obviously, everybody is going to say they're different. Every company is going to say, how they're so much better. But Kartra gives you a 40% commission. So here's some of their pricing. You can see $99 a month, $199, $299, $499. So again, 40% commission on these different price tiers is a really good commission, especially if it is an ongoing, monthly commission. So really good program. I've been really happy with them, and that is who I use for my online courses and my online platform, I guess you could say. Now, you can get a 14-day trial of Kartra for $1 and just take it for a test drive. This will let you create as much as you want. So you get a free run of the whole platform. If you find one of my other links about Kartra, I've got an actual video that tells you how to get a 30-day trial. If you want to try that out for 30 days instead of 14, feel free to comment below and ask for that, or I will try to put it somewhere around here. All right, so next up we have a product called Groovefunnels. And Groovefunnels is similar to Kartra in that it's an all-in-one type of a system. So there's email, there's landing pages, there's a lot of different things that they offer. Right now they have a big promotion going on. Groovefunnels was created by Mike Filsame, who I think also created Kartra and a lot of other softwares. He went through and had some other ideas and wanted to create a standalone software. So it's basically a big competitor with Kartra. Some people like Kartra, some people like Groovefunnels. And obviously their claim too is to be the #1 page and funnel building program, right? Everybody says that. So something that's cool about Groovefunnels is they give you a 40% commission, but also a 10% second tier commission, which means they give you 10% of any business that you actually bring them. So you're basically grandfathered in. If you promote the program and somebody else signs up, you get 10% of that. So very cool structured program there, and they have a lot of different benefits to it. I believe you get 3 landing pages that you can use completely for free. They have no credit card required, access to Groovesell and Groove Pages, and you can go there and learn more about what those are. Groove Pages is basically landing pages, and Groovesell, I believe, is a way to be able to take money online. You can see some of the services and things that they offer down here. Custom domains, you can do video. There's just a lot of different things that you can do with this program, and they're adding more and more things as they go. So it's a very robust program. So if you're looking for somewhere to host all of your business content online, Groovesell or Groovefunnels may be a good program for you to check out. So next up, we have Affiliate Tube Success Academy with Paul Murphy, and you've seen me talking about this one because it's a valuable program that I really enjoy and has really helped me a lot, so I definitely promote this one. Currently, Paul's program is $997, so you get 40% commission on that. Paul is a really cool guy, very friendly, very approachable, and that's something I like is whenever I can find somebody that is not only offering a great product, but they're also a cool person. I really like to offer that. As I mentioned, I'll put links everywhere, but you can learn more about Paul's program and what he promises, and you can see the things that you get started with. It's obviously what he's got is this 24-hour ranking system that shows step-by-step the process of how to actually get your videos ranking. You do get group coaching, so that's an ongoing weekly thing. He does give you access to his magic funnel, which is a really, really powerful funnel. I've not seen a funnel exactly like this before, but that works really, really well. He goes in here and gives you some templates, some training, other things. So overall, it's a really great program. If you scroll down, you can see some things that other people are saying, testimonials and whatnot, how things work, and just more details. Paul also gives you a pretty cool refund offer here. If you can't rank just one video on the first page of Google within the first 30 days, he'll give you a full refund plus a $100 check. So that's pretty interesting. $9.97 product, you get 40% commission, so you can do the math on that. But definitely a product I recommend because I've used it before and gotten results. So this is Vidnami. It's a program we talked about a little bit in the last video, and they are very video focused. Now what you can do with them is you can enter something like a script, and it will automate these captions here, and then it will use AI as it reads that script and create a video for you. Now this is kind of more stock videos, so kind of like think of stock photography. This is stock videos. You can also record a phone style video and then have it add the subtitles to your video. So they give you a 50% commission, is $47 a month or $397 annually. So you did the numbers on that. But when you come over here, you can see all the different things that they offer. So if you have a program where maybe you're a little nervous about getting on camera and you just want some stock videos to be shown, that's an option here. Or if you know how to shoot video, maybe with your phone, and you want subtitles, you can do that too. So finally, I want to give a plug to a program that I'm a little biased on, but that is my program. And I created a program called Phone Video Made Simple. So if you know anyone who is trying to engage with an audience and make more sales, this is a great program because what I teach you how to do is pull the phone out of your pocket and create video that actually generates income. So this course here is $497, and I give you a 40% affiliate commission on that. I've gotten some really great testimonials. The course is somewhat of a shorter course. Most people can get through it in an afternoon or so. And there are things that you actually have to go do, like pull your phone out and record. And the reason I make you do that is because you learn in the doing. When you come to the website, you can see what students are having to say. These are all screen grabs from different things, emails and texts. Then I go into a little bit of a sneak peek on the course. I'll also have a link here. You can see the back end on becoming an affiliate. You see the affiliate commissions and all of that. Again, this is going to be a really great course if you're trying to build your personal brand and make some additional sales using that free tool that you have sitting in your pocket or on your desk right now. Well, I hope that was helpful, and hopefully a few of those products will be a good fit for you. I'll put them in the comment section and description so you can easily click over and learn more about them. If you have not subscribed already, then go ahead and do that now. In the next video of the series, we're going to be talking about where you need to stick your affiliate links when you're uploading your videos to YouTube. So make sure to stick around for that one, and I'll talk with you soon.